And the SVG converter tutorials make it look like the job is just choosing the right export button. But if the file still has messy paths, flat artwork, awkward colors, or a logo you cannot really edit, you did not solve the problem. You just renamed it SVG. Canva is great for quick layouts, thumbnails, social posts, labels, and mockups. The problem starts when a Canva design needs to become a real vector asset. A screenshot gets blurry, a quick trace gets noisy, and an exported file can still be painful to use in Figma, Illustrator, Cricut, Code, or Print. SVG Genie gives you the cleaner route. Use your Canva design, logo, sketch, or idea as reference, describe the SVG you actually need, and generate editable vector source with simpler shapes, transparent background, clean outlines, and paths you can keep changing. This is today's replacement topic after the queue was exhausted. I checked more than 5 candidates with data for SEO, including image vectorizer, photo to SVG converter, PNG to vector converter, SVG logo maker, and AI vector generator. Canva SVG converter showed about 590 monthly searches, keyword difficulty 19, and a YouTube page full of quick step-by-step conversion videos. The difference is simple. Canva helps you assemble a design. SVG Genie helps you turn that direction into a reusable SVG master. Instead of preserving every artifact from the canvas, you rebuild the important shapes as clean vector language. Here is the prompt. Recreate this Canva-style coffee label as a clean editable SVG, bold circular badge, cup icon in the center, 2-color palette, thick outlines, transparent. Background, smooth paths, no tiny texture, ready for website, stickers, Cricut, and print. In seconds, SVG Genie gives me multiple SVG directions. I can pick the strongest one, open the code, change the colors, resize it forever, export a PNG preview, or keep the SVG as the master file for future versions. Use Canva when you need layout speed, arranging text, photos, mockups, social graphics, and campaign variations. Use SVG Genie when the thing inside that layout needs to become an editable source asset, a logo, icon, badge, sticker, divider, pattern, or illustration. Before you trust any Canva SVG converter workflow, run this test. Zoom in, change one color, delete one shape, import it into your design tool. Try it in code. If those simple actions feel fragile, you still have cleanup work to do. The prompt formula is easy. Name the source, like Canva logo, Canva label, Canva icon, Canva sticker, or Canva social graphic. Then name the destination clean editable SVG. Add constraints, limited colors, smooth paths, transparent background, no tiny details, strong silhouette, and the final use case. This is the real choice. A flat export may be fast, but it becomes a dead end as soon as you need changes. A clean SVG master can be recolored, resized, simplified, embedded, printed, cut, themed, and reused across a whole project. If you already exported something from Canva and it looks rough, SVG Genie can be the cleanup pass. Ask for fewer paths, stronger outlines, simpler grouping, better contrast, and a version that keeps the design idea while dropping the junk. This is useful for creators and teams making Etsy files, product labels, event badges, classroom graphics, small business logos, website icons, brand marks, newsletter, illustrations, stickers, merch concepts, and social graphics that need to survive outside Canva. Keep SVG as the source of truth. From that master, export PNG for previews, PDF for sharing, React or inline SVG for code, Figma for layout polish, and cut-friendly files for Cricut or print. One clean file should create every version. The opening is real. Data for SEO shows Canva SVG converter at about 590 monthly searches with low difficulty, and the YouTube results prove people want the workflow. The stronger promise is not another button tour. It is clean, editable SVG output. You can try SVG Genie free with no credit card required. After that, credit packs start at $9 with no subscription to cancel. If one Canva design needs to become a reusable vector asset, the cleanup time saved is already worth it. So keep using Canva for layouts. But when the design needs to become a clean, editable SVG you can resize, recolor, export, code, print, cut, and actually own, go to svgenie.com and generate the source file you meant to get.